Hello students, so today we will learn about the names of 5 different seasons. In India, we divide up the year into 5 seasons: spring, summer, rainy, autumn, and winter, with summer being the warmest, winter being the coldest, rainy being the wettest, and spring and autumn lying in between. Each of these is accompanied by a change in the weather and the surrounding environment. The seasons have a lot of impact on what happens on the earth. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to identify different types of seasons that we experience. So let's begin without any further delay. This is a summer season. SUMMER, summer, the warmest season of the year. It falls between spring and autumn. This is an autumn season. AUTUMN, autumn, the season of change. Leaves change color and fall from trees. It falls between summer and winter. This is a rainy season. RAINY, rainy. It is called the wet season as the region's average rainfall occurs. It falls after the harsh summer. This is a winter season. WINTER, winter, the coldest season of the year. It falls between autumn and spring. This is a spring season. SPRING, spring, the season of blooming flowers and greenery environment. It falls between winter and summer.